Josh. Just want to show you rain setup I have. This is a standard, it's like a accordion type. That's what I got from Mirror Machine Surplus. It's a splitter. So what happens, you put this in the rain gutter, and you share this with this here. So it goes like this. Then you need to get it into the barrel. This is a standard barrel system you get for $20. This is a kind of the unique thing. The setup, just two 1-inch into a reducer, and I'll make sure it goes in so it stays nice and tight. Anyways, that goes into your barrel like this. Make sure that's right down to the bottom, and then voila, you've got your system. I'm going to plug the top here, and so then you've got your rainwater. Rainwater is great for plants. This feeds our flowers in the front of the house, and it's going to now feed the cedar planters too. I just thought I'd show you too.